What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you or will be discussing with you how to use a promo code in TapTap. So, you might be wondering how to exactly use promo codes here. Well, this one is fairly simple. So typically, if you log in into TapTap Send here, as you can see, this is the usual UI that you see. Now, also in the homepage here, you'll notice that an option or link that says add promo code is available on your screen. Now, just leave some background here. Typically, if you try clicking or the underneath the referral section, you'll see or you'll be able to use codes here. Now, if someone actually invited you to join the platform or tap send here, typically you should be able to use another person's code here. So if you try using your own code and if you try going to referrals here and use your own code, this will lead to an error. Just keep that in mind. But yeah, if you go back into your homepage here and click on add promo code, you'll get this pop up here. Now, what you need to do is you just need to enter the promo code that you got or whatever promo code that your friend or someone you know sent. Just paste it in here, click on enter, and typically you'll get discounts or you'll be able to save on certain amounts here using that code. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.